this is the last one I'm doing for double angle identities. This is tangent, and we're going to also have to use the sum and difference identities on this. What we're going to do is work on this side here and write this as tan of 3 theta equals tan of 2 theta plus theta. Now, I'm going to go ahead and use my formula for tangent for the sum, using the sum. And you should, like I said, on all of my videos, you should have the formula sheets out so you can kind of follow along. So that means this is your alpha and this is your beta. I'll put this alpha and beta. So I'm going to use my sum formulas for that. I have tan of 2 theta plus tan of theta over, let me put that in parentheses, 1 minus tan of 2 theta times tan of theta. Okay, now what I'm going to do is write this as, I'm going to write my identities here for tan of 2 theta. And I'm going to substitute that. So that's going to be tan 2 tan of theta over 1 minus tan squared of theta. Then I'm just going to attach him, tan of theta. I'm also going to do it in the denominator. So I'm going to get 1 minus, then I'm substituting my double angles here, 2 tan of theta over 1 minus tan squared of theta times tan of theta. Okay, on the next slide, what I'm going to do is use, find my common denominator. So my common denominator for both of these is going to be 1 minus tan squared theta. So that's what I'm going to do on the next slide. So when I do that, I'm going to get 2 tan of theta plus tan of theta minus tan cubed of theta over my common denominator, 1 minus tan squared of theta, and also do this for the denominator, and you get 1 minus tan squared of theta minus 2 tan squared of theta over 1 minus tan squared of theta. Now what happens is these two will cancel. You notice here I have 3 of those. So I'm going to write that down. That's going to be 3 tan of theta minus tan cubed of theta. And then for this, I'm going to have 1 minus 3. Look at this. That's 1 minus 3 tan squared of theta. And that's all we needed right there. And that's your answer. Thank you and have a nice day. On the next set that I do, and I'm not going to do them right away, but the next set I'm going to do for my double angles is the inverse functions. But I'm not going to do those right away. They'll be up soon. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.